Hello friends, today's our topic is collective nouns. Means ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਕਿ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਆਫ ਐਲੀਫੈਂਟਸ herd. Second one is a group of wolves pack. Third one is a group of fish school. Fourth one is a group of birds flock. Fifth one is a group of stars galaxy. Next one is sixth, a group of robbers gang. Seventh one is a group of players team. Eighth one is a group of events series. Next, ninth, a group of judges jury. 10th, a group of trees clump. Thank you.